I finally have P-pop Artifacts. Grabe naman sa P-pop Artifacts, pero may nagtinda ng kanyang mga MNL48 albums, tsaka sabi ko sa sarili ko, kahit wala na ako makain, bibilhin ko to. Apat sila, and as you can see, nakikita mo, grabe yung pag-package, pagpadala sa mga albums. Yung malalaman mo na gusto ng seller na, I will take care of the albums, and I will. I will take care of it with my life. So here are the albums that I bought. Yung pinakauna, come on, Pia Jane, come on. The first one is Ai Takata. This is the debut, and I already have it. I have it now. Oh my god, I smelled it for some reason. Next is Pag-ibig ay Fortune Cookie. Raise your hand if you love Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie, and if yung love mo ay Fortune Cookie. Raise your hand right now. The next one is 365 Aeroplano Papel. Might be one of my favorite covers nila kasi ang cute-cute ng album cover, yung picture. And the last one is Ikaw ang Melody. Ang cute rin. Ang cute ng mga sinusot nila dito. So, basically, I have four that I bought, but yes, posing. Pero, lima na yung sa akin. I really love physical media and my voice. I'm sorry, I'm still sick.